Welcome to Bike Update. Today, we're diving into the latest 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350R, a bike that combines retro charm with modern performance. If you're a fan of classic styling with a punch of power, this one's for you. The Hunter 350 has already gained popularity for its compact design and nimble handling, and the 2025 model brings some exciting refinements. Under the hood, it retains the trusted 349cc, single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine, delivering 20.2 bhp and 27 Nm of torque. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking on longer rides, the power delivery remains smooth and enjoyable. One of the biggest highlights of this update is the improved suspension setup, with tweaked telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers. The bike offers better ride comfort and handling. Royal Enfield has also worked on fine-tuning the gearbox, making shifts smoother for a more effortless riding experience. Aesthetically, the 2025 Hunter 350 gets fresh color options and graphics, keeping its youthful and stylish appeal intact. The bike still features a retro-inspired round headlamp, a sculpted fuel tank, and a minimalist tail section, making it a perfect blend of classic and contemporary design. On the tech front, Royal Enfield has upgraded the instrument cluster, now offering an enhanced digital analog display with better visibility and smart connectivity features. Expect a USB charging port and turn-by-turn navigation support, making it more practical for everyday riders. Braking remains strong with disc brakes on both ends and the added safety of dual-channel ABS. The low seat height and lightweight chassis make the Hunter 350 an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced riders looking for an easy-to-handle bike. The expected price for the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is around $4,500, keeping it in the budget-friendly category while offering premium build quality. With its refined engine, modern features, and timeless design, the new Hunter 350 is set to remain a favorite in the mid-range segment. That's all for today's bike update. Let us know in the comments would you pick the Hunter 350 for your next ride. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.